time, we'll revise the old sounds and old actions. And then we'll go to the next one. You can all show to Surekha ma'am.
Yeah. So do we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So S says okay. A says ah 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 ah. T says tch, 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 tch. I says here you have to keep e e e e e e. Then P. You're blowing the candle. And says mm, mm. So this is the 6 sounds of first group, first session, whatever called lesson. Any problem?
Surekha may make each teacher blend one word. Let's see how they've understood. Let them one word each. Let them do the blending, and let them do identifying the sounds with action first of the word. Then afterwards, when they're blending, there shouldn't be actions.
Okay. So Uma ma'am, yeah, you can take pin. You have to say first, you have to read it with sound, the letter with the sound.
Okay, ma'am. Pin, ma'am, with sound.
Yeah.
Can you see, ma'am, now? Yes.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Pin.
Yeah. So when you say pin, okay. So Ramya ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can do sat.
Sat, ma'am.
Yes.
Sat.
Actor sat. Yes. And
Sat.
Shweta ma'am. Shweta. Okay. You can take it tap.
Ma'am.
Unmute. Tap, tap.
Tap. See, ma'am. Tap.
Okay. Darshani ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You take tip.
What, ma'am?
Tip.
Tipper. Tipper.
Tip.
Tipper. Tip.
Tip. E sound. E. Please, ma'am. Tip.
Tip.
Yeah. So when you do this now, this, it's not this. It's okay. This.
Okay.
E, not S.
E.
E. See, first, initially, why the sound is important and action is important, because children, they take your action, they see your action, and then they will, and gradually when you progress with the sound, it becomes very difficult to remember the first group sound. So when you teach them, you have to teach what is the action, because they are looking at your action and then they're taking the sound, you know. So we have to be very clear with the sound. They will later on, I will be very difficult. So whenever, whichever group we are doing, we have to do clearly. Okay. Now Vijaya ma'am. Yeah, Vijaya ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can take. Yeah. It's.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll just give you a word. Nap.
Nap. Nap.
Yeah. This is p. Nap.
Nap.
Yeah. Okay. A, and p. Nap. Okay. So
Nap.
everybody is covered. Usha Rani is left. I think Usha Rani. Usha Rani. Who is Usha Rani?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to say ant. Ant.
Ant, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ant.
A. 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 And
Yes, ma'am.
A. Ant.
Ant.
Okay. A. Ant. Yeah. Ant. Okay. So this was the first lesson. 7 sounds, 6 sounds. Now we go to next lesson. So everyone has taken the printout.
Yes, ma'am.
So we go for the next one. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first,
ready,
yeah. So first is which? C.
Yes,
Yeah. So C. Letter C says. So we have to see. We have to. I'll just bend down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see, man, this. You have to raise your hands and you have to do ka 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 ka. Okay. You have to ka 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 ka. Okay. C says ka. K says ka 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 ka. Okay. So now C says ka, K also says ka. But when C and K come together, they join C, K. What they say? Little different. The action is same, but you have to say ka, 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 ka. Okay? So C says ka, K says ka, CK says little h. You have to add little ka. Okay? Ka. Okay? Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah. Next is E. E. So you have to hold. Suppose you're holding something and you want to break it. Okay? You want to hold it something and you want to, suppose you're holding an egg and you want to break it. So what you do? A. Okay? E says A. A. Clear? A.
Okay,
A. Now H. Letter H. You have to just hold like this. You're climbing staircase and you're getting tired. And what do you do? Oh, sound should come. Okay? H says, this is the sound. Now R. R is the funniest sound where children are going to enjoy like anything. You are a cat You are punching on the rat and you're going to show that action. You're very angry. How the cat is angry, what noise she does. She holds like this. See, you have to do like this. Very angry. Like this you have to show. They are going to laugh at you, but you have to keep doing that. They enjoy this action. So you have to be very angry, like a cat, angry cat. And then you have to say, so sound is what? Okay? Sound is
Oh, okay, ma'am. Clear. Okay, ma'am.
Now you do, Ramya ma'am, you can do. Not it is it is you're angry.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so it will take time, but it is okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, ma'am.
Now letter M. Letter M is like you're very hungry. So you look at my stomach. You're very hungry, and you say, You have to close your lips. See the sound?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
And action is this. Okay? So how you do?
Okay, ma'am.
M, yeah. Now D. Letter D is you're playing drum. D. Okay? It's D. Huh? So once we revise all 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you all do with me. Okay? All of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? So first one is
Okay, ma'am.
C. Letter C. Ka. K says ka. And CK says ka. E says a. H says okay. Then R. So R is okay. We'll be sharing you the site, YouTube site that you can go and listen to the clearly the sound. At the moment, you can just know that what is the sound exactly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
M says you have to show. You're hungry, so you keep on your stomach hand and you say okay. And D says da. So now we go for sheet is again, we'll revise each of them. We'll go for the revision of this. The picture is shown. You can see the picture on the sheet. What is the picture?
Cat picture.
C is, so we can say
Cat.
So what? Cat. Now spelling C-A-T. Okay, now you know C sound, you know A sound, you know T sound. So one of them can you blend it? Blending means you have to just say the sound of each letter. Okay? Cat. 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 Next is
Kick.
So now here the CK is come at the end. So that's the reason we told CK says ka. So you have to say ka, e, and again ka. Kick. What it is? Kick. So ka, e, ka. Kick. Okay. Now next is what?
A.
A. Here the word it is picture is of egg, but we have not taught G sound. So we have to keep the G aside, but you have to do E. E says a. Okay. So any other we'll be doing other spellings, but not egg, because we have not taught you G sound. Okay. Now next is hen. No, hen.
He. Ha.
Not hay, not hay. And a and
N. Okay.
hen. Ha, a, hen.
Okay, ma'am.
Ha, a,
Hen.
hen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Okay,
next
ma'am.
is rat. So look at my face. Rat. Rat. See, blending is what you have to teach the children. You have to say each letter sound initially slowly. Later on, you have to become fast. Gradually you'll become fast. Then the spell automatically the word is formed. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
rat. Okay.
Ma'am, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ second, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am. Ma'am, once more, ma'am.
Yeah. Rat.
Right. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And action, you have to teach with action. So action is how? Okay. So initially you're going to teach them with action.
Okay, ma'am.
First sound, then with action, and then word is formed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Mat.
Mat. Mat. So if you don't do action, how it is going to be? Mat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Uma ma'am. Yeah. Any doubt,
Yes,
Uma
ma'am.
ma'am? Any doubt?
M sound, ma'am, action, because I got network
Yeah.
problem.
Action is, see this. You have to keep your hand on the stomach, and you're very hungry. So how the children do? Clear, ma'am? Okay. Next is dad.
Yes, ma'am.
Dad. So So dad. Dad. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Each sound becomes like you have to start teaching them first letter, then sound, then action. This sound and action you're going to do all together. Later on, you have to ask them that between letter, if you say sound, suppose you are taking dictation after that, if you are taught everything. So how you're going to teach them? You sometimes do only action. No, don't tell them the spelling. So I will show you one example. Suppose I do so they have to write the spelling. What is that? Mat. Okay, so you have to sometime only say the sound. They will form the words. Sometimes you have to do only action, no voice. Now I'll do.
Ant.
So sometimes you have to do only action, sometimes you have to do only sound. So they will recognize the sound and action. This is the way you have to teach them.
Oh,
So
okay.
can
Thank
we
you, ma'am.
revise now before we go to a different sheet? Can we revise?
Surekha,
He says, yeah, we blend, now blending and decoding is there. So we take kit, okay? So kit, what is decode? Now, what is decoding? You have to show the another way of teaching the sound. You know, spellings, how they will learn. So decoding is just keep your this closed and say ka, e,
Ka.
kit,
Ch.
ka, e, t, kit, kit.
Ch.
Ka, eat, kit. Now, r, I, pa, rip. R, I, pa, rip. Rip. Da, I, pa, dip.
Dip.
Dip. So you can do the next sack. Uma ma'am, sack. Unmute.
Sack.
Yeah. So CK is one sound. Huh? CK is one sound. Very good. Rack. Ramya ma'am, rack.
Rack.
No, only decode. Decode means only on the finger. Rack. Huh? This is on the
Rack.
see sound is by this no action, nothing.
Okay.
Rack. Now action is rack. Huh? Decode. Yeah. Say
Rack. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now decode is on the finger. On the finger.
Okay. Okay.
Rack.
Rack.
Understood? So all
Yes,
three,
ma'am.
all four types are there. One is
Okay.
like we can take some other word. We can take man. First is sound. First I will show sound. Man. Huh? Now action. Man. Now blending. Blending is what? To read the
Man.
sound, the spelling with the sound. Okay? Blending. Now decode. Decoding. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
some of the kids, they understand. See, these are all the ways to teach them. Some kids will understand by action. Some are taking your sound. Some are taking blending. Some might take your decoding. All are to learn the spelling and read the words. Okay. So all these four types are there. So we can take one now. Pen. Usharani, pen. You have to decode. Decoding is on the hand.
Hand. Okay.
Decode. Unmute.
Ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
Yeah. Pen. Ushara. Decode. You have to keep it like this. and say pen. Okay. You're clear with the blending?
Yes, ma'am.
Pen. Okay. Now
Ma'am?
yes.
Pen. Okay, ma'am.
Pen. Yes. You have to puff it. Pen. This is action.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this Dakshyani ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to do set. Action. Very good. Very good. Now, Nidhi Shri, Vijaya ma'am, you have to do pad. You do decoding.
Pad.
Very good. Very good. Then hiss, Uma ma'am, hiss. You do action. Hiss. Unmute, ma'am. Unmute. And action. Action is with hand. Yeah. So sometimes, we get confused between action, decoding, and then, sometimes action, we have to clearly remember that we have to use our hands. Action.
Yes.
And decoding is this, fingers. Okay. And sound. Blending is only reading with the sound. There is no action, no this decode. And sound is only showing your expression. Okay.
Okay.
So we go to next sheet now. Next is, there is a last sheet that is recognize, underline letter and read the words. In that you can see the set. Set is having one letter is underlined. So we have to recognize the sound of the underlined letter. So what is there in the set?
Ma'am, A.
No, letter is E.
Sound
Letter is E.
Sounds
Letter is E. Sound is A. Action is this. Okay. So we have to tell the children, you have to give the word, underline some letter which is the sound you're teaching, with whichever 6 sounds you're teaching, underline that letter, and then you have to ask them then you are clear that they are understanding or not. So next is net. Yeah. Usharani, net. Which letter is underlined in this net?
E, ma'am.
E. Sound?
Sound
A. And then the word is net.
net.
You can blend it also. Net. Okay. Now, who's there? Mohita, no? What's her name?
Shweta ma'am.
Shweta ma'am. Yes. Monica. Yeah. Shweta ma'am, you have to do sack. Which letter is underlined? Sack. No, which letter is sack. Last sheet. Yes. Yeah. So you can blend the sack. Blend. Only blend. No, only blend. Only sound you have to say. Read this letter with sound. Word you have to read with the sound.
Sack.
How it is?
Sack.
Sack. Okay. Now, Nidhi Shri, you have to do
Yes.
pick.
Yes, ma'am.
Pick. Which letter is underlined?
K. K. K.
Yeah.
K.
And then read the pick with decode. Decode it.
P. E. K. Pick.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
P. E. K. Only 3 sounds.
K. K.
Huh? Pick.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
P. E. K. Pick.
pick. Men.
Yes, ma'am. Men. Men.
Men. Okay. So this is the letter. Now next is filling the blanks and read the words. So you have to ask, you have to first, you do yourself the exercise. From these 3,
Yes, ma'am.
there is first one is A dash K. So now which
Letter.
letter you will pick from the
Letter C.
C?
Letter C.
Very good. Second one is second.
P. E.
So which letter you will pick?
Letter C.
Letter C.
C.
Letter
Yeah. Third, Uma ma'am. Third.
Letter E.
Letter E, ma'am.
E. Tent.
So you blend it, Uma ma'am.
Blend it to
Ma'am. Ch. A. Ch. Tent.
Tent. Yes. Next is, so this is the exercise. It is very
Letter
easy now.
tent.
It is very easy
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Yeah. So first,
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, only whom Miss is asking, please respond. Others all unmute. Mute it. We are
Yeah.
getting
Tell me
too
any
much of
doubt.
disturbance.
Any doubt?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, double S is there, no, ma'am?
Double S is there.
How can we pronounce that?
Ha. 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 E. His. The snake does.
Ma'am, one more is there, ma'am. Here, Miss, M-I-S-S.
Yeah. So, action. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
E.
Okay, ma'am.
Miss.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
E.
Basically, you pronounce it with a little more, like how you do the k. You do the same thing with. You just have it extended.
Yeah. So how if you do it is like
ma'am.
this, going with the sound.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are the 2 lessons we have done. 6 letter sounds in one section, and the next is 6 section in one. So 2 chapters we have finished with. Again, we'll do once more action right from first to last. And some difficult word is there, like Kanti ma'am has shared some hard words. That blending will be taught in the end, because at the moment we have to focus on the each sound. Okay, how we blend. For example, if it is span. Now when we blend it, we say so what it becomes and okay. But when you come to the little more, how you progress one, you come to a sound where you advance. That is sp. So and pan. Okay. This is little hard words. So some hard word is there in that. See, you can take from the list of next, which is sent in the end. We can do it in that. One or two words, like we can take press. Okay, so press is but we have to go on telling so automatically it will come pra. Okay, press. So this blending will be taught in the end, where you have to say spa. Okay, right now we have to concentrate on the each letter sound. Okay, so these difficult words we will do when we cover all the sound at the end. So we will do revision. First group, first lesson. You can also do practice. E. This is first lesson, first section. Second is ka. Again ka. CK also ka. Then A. So this is second chapter lesson. These are all 12 sounds we covered today. So whichever words are given, you do all the blending, decoding. Any doubts, you please ask on the WhatsApp. We will be replying. Mira, anything? Kanti, you can explain them.
Nothing, Sureka. You're doing an excellent job. Nothing for us to
No
do.
doubt about that. Excellent job.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, so any doubt, to please get in touch on the WhatsApp. You can do your recording also and send it. We will reply what is going wrong, what is going correct. Because gradually now, these 6 sounds are very easy. After this, it will be little, we get confused. Ourselves, we get confused. So we have to keep on practicing.
Sureka, ma'am?
Yes?
R letter was confused, ma'am. Sounds confused.
So R is like, you have to show angry expression. So we have to keep like this. The cat is coming near the rat. How she punches. She is just ready. So,
Okay.
you have to do perfectly. They will enjoy. The kids are going to enjoy. We used to take in the class, we had 80 children in the class, or 40 children or 30 children. They were very, they are happy to do this sound. They only remember our sound. They know how to, they are happy, they know how to punch on others. So you are going to enjoy this sound. You have to only be nicely doing.
Okay, ma'am?
Yeah. Not to mix T in that. No. It is.
Okay.
Ramya, touch the tip of your tongue to the top of your mouth and then say.
Yeah. So exactly, you get a cat sound, the punching on the rat.
Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
No. Ramya, see, you should keep your mouth a little open.
Yeah.
Touch the tip of your tongue. See? This should touch the. Ramya, just watch. Don't say. So, touch the tip of your tongue to the top of your mouth. So there's no other sound except.
Only raw sound should come. That's it. At, rat. At, rat. Okay? This is the sound.
I will practice, ma'am.
Yes.
After.
So we are going to send that link we sent last time, first group. We will send the second group also. In that, blending is there. See, blending also now, you can make a card of A, N, T. And then you can just flip it like you play the mat. How you flip it and then you can do the blending. Just remove this A sheet you keep here, A, N, T. Then again flip it, T, I, P. So that way you have to make a square chit sort of, of each letter. And you can play with them in the game form.
See, what
will make a word.
Yeah. See,
Okay,
what
ma'am,
will
I will-
happen is here, if you use the visual aids of flashcards, see, you can make it as big as, say, as this much. So this much, if I put an A here, right? A. One second, please. I'll just do it.
Yeah, we can do half. A.
Half an A4 sheet, you take one, and say if you put a big, okay, I have, you use your sketch pens, man, I don't have here. See, if you say see, you have all letters of this size. Take a few A4 sheets, whatever sounds have been taught, make letters big and understandable, and make the children, as soon as you flash the card, you take the card out, they should be able to tell you the sound and the action. That's what we used to do it in our classes. So we used to show them a flashcard. They used to practice the sound and the action. So what happens is they recognize, they connect the sound to the action and to what they see. Okay? So what will happen is, if you have, now we've taught you 12 sounds, but there are 13 letters. So when you have 13 letters, what you can do is what we have, how we have taught you how to decode, how to blend. You can teach the children the same way in the front with the letters. See, when your letters are there in the front of you, when the children are watching the letters, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೇಳೋದು, ಹೇಳೋದು, ನೋಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what they see, what they hear, and what they say all will match. And if you give them the letters, they'll also do. And if you do actions, letters, and sound, and everything, so they're doing like in 5 different ways of the same word. So just imagine how beautifully it will sit in their heads.
You can simply make, you were using the sheet, in the sheet all the letters are there. You can take individual, by like Kanti ma'am told that you have to take a half A4 sheet and write it with a bold sketch pen and show only those letters which you are teaching. And then keep it, when you play a game, you just keep it on the table, all the letters, and jumble it. And then you tell them to form a ant. So they will pick the sheets. They'll keep A, N, T.
And all these letters, yeah, and all these letters, when you're writing it on the flashcards, it should all be small letters, no capital letters and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unmute, huh?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
You
Yes,
have,
yes.
So far, what?
it has to be
Can you hear
in
me,
print. Yeah. Please, it has to be in print. It should not be in cursive. It should be in print. Phonics is always taught in print. Okay? No cursive.
That you go to our YouTube channel, when you go there, there are a lot of videos. How to write each letter, how to write each sound also is given there. You can refer to that, because you should not start off with capital letter and all that. That will become a huge mistake. So go to our YouTube channel and check out how letters are written. That also we will post the
The link will be shared, and then you can go and see these sounds are also there. There are some sound playing games also that they're forming the word. You can see those also. It's very easy to teach them. Go to the link.
Hello,
Yeah.
Meera ma'am.
Yes, Suma ma'am, please tell.
Yes, ma'am. Since you told there will be individual assessment of teachers, what I observed was I took students of 6th and one.
Is if you teach the whole class, first ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಂದ. So if you tell the class the same thing where you are yourself in doubt, you're confusing the whole class when you get it right.
So that's what. So be sure that you're thorough before you start introducing it to the children. That's all.
Okay. We'll think over it. Okay. Thank you.
Make your small, how you are doing, that is excellent, but you have to be thorough and make flashcards. Because when you use the whole sheet, now they are confused which letter you are doing.
Yes, ma'am. Confused.
So use a small. See, as I said, use big places with only one letter.
Next class, ma'am. Okay, next class I will take, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you use one letter in half an A4 sheet, using a thick sketch pen, make a very bold letter with a bold color.
Small letter.
Small letter.
Okay. Small letter. Print. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Print, not
Write.
cursive. Not cursive.
Okay, ma'am.
Cursive is never taught in phonics till much later.
Oh, okay.
Phonics is always taught with print letters, small letters. And
ma'am.
Capital the letters, we will tell you when you have to introduce.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Next class I will take. Okay, ma'am.
Next class on Thursday, 3 to 4.